Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Cashew Outside cocktail. That's a little pun, okay? All right, so, and he's eating some chocolate right there. That's Richard, one of our new master mixologists in the house. So we start off with a white whiskey. Beautiful. And then he used some persimmon puree, all right? Nice. You can get some persimmons and make your own puree at home. Some lemon juice, and then he follows it up with a cashew orgeat. Most orgeats from almonds, but this one's a cashew one, so it's awesome. And then a little bit of bitters. Okay, Amaro in there, Cynar. And now we get some ice in there, and we shake. All right. Get a nice ice rod. Notice how clear that is, okay? Because in these fancy cocktails, you better be using some clear ice. Get an orange peel and expresses. Beautiful, gets it all around. I like how he rubs his own always all around the glass. Dips that in, and then we have chocolate shavings on top. Hallelujah. And there you have it. What's it called?
Cashew Outside.
Cashew, okay? You got metal spoons? Oh.
Yep.
Nice, man. I like when they come in. It's always good stuff. Okay, how'd you come up with this?
Basically, yeah, I just wanted something that was like a little bitter. I did a persimmon puree as well, and then I wanted to do an orgeat, but something different. So I did cashews.
Okay.
And hence the name Cashew Outside. Yeah. So it's kind of like a fighting cocktail. It wants to, take you to the streets.
So okay, it's a fighting cocktail. So I take it you're a fan of, what's her name, Danielle?
Yeah, I don't know.
I can't remember her last name. Forgive me, Danielle. I'm sure you watch this religiously, okay? Because, all right, so you're a fan?
Of her?
Yeah, the Cashew Outside girl.
Yeah, been watching her since Dr. Phil. Yeah. Let me try this out.
Dude, I love this drink.
Yeah, it's good. It's like good for like any time, in the year. Goes with all the seasons.
And for those of you just seeing it for the first time, this is Richard, okay? He always wears you wear it everywhere?
Yeah, I sleep with it too. Yeah.
Okay, it's awesome.
I was gonna bring you one, but I forgot. Next time.
What is it called, fedora?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I don't know my hat names, okay? I just know cowboy hat. That's all I know, okay? I know it's not a cowboy hat, them 10-gallon hats, okay? Them Roy Moores. I know it's not that. I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, go on. Oh my God, this is good.
There you go.
Hallelujah. You ever had a hallelujah moment when you took a sip and you just went, oh, that's good. Anyway, go on Instagram, follow him, okay? At Rude Bitters, okay? On Instagram, delicious stuff. This is a really good drink. And then the chocolate. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy, because I'm tipsy already.